Right, lads. How's it going? Thursday. Foggy Peacehaven. Right, dank day, isn't it, the nurse?
It is very. It's not very nice at all.
It actually got worse since we've been here, hasn't it? It wasn't this bad, was it? Half 6, 7 o'clock.
No, it wasn't. No.
Down the fog now. Can they see? You can't really see it on the camera, can you?
You see it a little bit.
You can't see the sea, boys.
No, not today.
So how you going, lads? New lead. Putting new lead in. Repairing. And we're going to be doing some rebuilding. Some of this here. It's too knackered, isn't it? This is the can of worms job, boys. You watched about a week or so ago, we was over here taking off the render. So yeah, that's what we're up to. I mean nuts.
Yeah.
So yesterday, young Ash Mahoney did well, didn't he?
Did, yeah.
In the Northern qualifiers for Super Trail, laid 4:40 in 45 minutes. Very impressive. He finds out if he's qualified tomorrow, but I think he has, hasn't he?
Yeah.
And then also they'll release the results of the Southern qualifiers that was held a couple of days ago. So that'll be good. Tomorrow, yours truly is on Fix Radio. Now, if you want to hear what I say, I'm on about, give or take, 12:15 on Fix Radio. The guy that presents the program's called Chance. Begins with an L. I can't remember his surname, lads. But if you are interested in that, I'm on Fix Radio. You getting voted on there, Ness?
It's they're probably going to send me an invitation soon.
So, did you get interviewed?
No.
Oh. I did. Okay. Yeah, so I'm on there. Claim to fame. So yeah, that's what we're doing, putting in lead, boys. And just sort of like shitty work, but there you go, it's got to be done. Got to keep this guy sweet. We've had some lovely jobs off in Rambling us.
Yeah.
And we've got a nice big house to build in the country. I thought so. Rough with the smooth and all that, innit, than us.
Yeah.
Keep
Yeah.
him sweet and keep him sweet.
Exactly, yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. It's the way to do it. But it's not that bad, is it? I mean, it's sort of like spitty wet, isn't it? So
Yeah.
it's very nice doing like face work in this.
No, I wouldn't. No.
But if you've done things like this, you've got to do it in sections, don't you? So it's all a bit. And like, if you wanted to come along here and take a course, maybe 2 courses out to get those trays in, you got that, haven't you? Absolutely, look at it. It's like there's no sand in there, cement in there, isn't it?
No. It's very weak, isn't it? There's a load of it, and it's all weak.
The render was holding it. The render is much stronger than that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And it had 2 coats on in places. But that's nuts, that is. Look at that, that is nuts. Oh, we've definitely got to pull this pier down, haven't we?
Yeah.
So if you're going to pull that down, say, where would you rebuild that to, Nuss? Go on, point somewhere where you'd rebuild it to. Yeah, me too. I think definitely to there,
Yeah.
right? And then that only leaves 4 more, and then the brickwork we've got to take out. So it kind of makes sense to take the lot down, wouldn't it?
It would be, yeah.
And prop the windows. Mind you, if we get that in there next,
Yeah, if we,
Then we take a meter out of here.
yeah, get it to halfway there, rebuild that there. Yeah.
We'll figure it out. But I think what we'll do, we'll take that all the way down. Fun and games. Decisions to be made. Human League, innit? Decisions to be made. Hey, 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 hey. Add up, boys.